So I'm going to say, all right, today's lesson is graph quadratics from factored form. So we're going to do a lot of graphing today. So go get your calculator if you have not. If you already have yours, go ahead and get to the graphing page. So remember, if you turn on your calculator and you see a bunch of stuff here, Control T takes away the table. To get a new one, you can either click delete 3 times or just grab a new document, which is what I'm going to do. So home, 1, no, you do not want to save, and 2, add your graph. From here, you just type everything that you see after the equal sign. So I have 20 over 9, and I'm going to leave that in parentheses because it is a fraction. All right, for the x minus, you need to hit the black one, not the white one. So minus 0.5, close parentheses, and then my second set is x minus, again, use the black one, not the white one, 3.5, close parentheses, enter. So your graph should look something like this, and if you're looking at the problem, it's asking us for the vertex. The vertex is the lowest or tallest point of your graph, so if you need to make a note of that, I would. Okay, so I know this is really bad handwriting, but tallest lowest point of graph, it's either at the bottom like a bowl or the top like a mountain. So if you look at the posters at the front, there is a vertex poster. If yours is a bowl or it looks like the green one, you're going to use menu 6.2. If it's a maximum, so if your vertex looks like the purple one, you're going to use menu 6.3. So just look at those posters at the front of your room. And looking at mine, this is a minimum, so my vertex is at the bottom. It matches the green one, so I'm going to use menu 6.2. And lower bound, remember you go all the way to the left, press enter. Upper bound, all the way to the right, press enter. And then you should see that your vertex is 2, -5. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. And then I want to drag the vertex of one of these points to 2, -5. So I'm going to bring this over to 2, down to -5, and that's 1 point. To finish it, I'm going to use my table, so Control T. And remember, I've already used 2, -5, so I'm going to keep going. 515 is a positive point, but if you notice, that goes off of my chart. So I'm going to change the step size to count by 0.5s. So while I am in the table, if you're outside of the table, you can't do this, so you must see the table. Then click Menu, Table, Edit Table Settings, and change this step to 0.5. Okay, click OK, and now you should see 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So I'm going to look here and see if there's something else that I can graph. And here we go. We got 3.5, 0. So I'm going to drag this point to 3.5, 0, and that should be it. Ta-da! So for this, remember the steps. Find your vertex, graph your vertex, then Control T, find another good point. If you're not finding one, you're going to need to change that step size. So let me know if you have any questions, but you should be good to go.